How the heck do you craft with that? Part 25. Struggling to add a touch of sparkle to your paper crafting projects without the messiness of glitter? I've got you. One tool every paper crafter will want to have in their arsenal is the clear Wink of Stella glitter brush by Stampin' Up. Discover the hassle-free way to add shimmer and shine to your creations with Wink of Stella. Say goodbye to messy glitter and embrace the ease of using this brush pen for instant sparkle. Let me show you. Give your Wink of Stella brush a gentle shake to activate the shimmery goodness inside. Then prime the brush by gently squeezing it against your silicone craft sheet until the ink starts to flow smoothly. Believe me, you want to do this over the silicone craft sheet in case it oozes. You're now ready to create magic simply by brushing the Wink of Stella directly on your paper, blending colors, or layering it over other mediums. The possibilities are endless, and each stroke brings a new level of radiance. Follow for more crafty tools tips.